name is Joel Sakuchere. I'm a student of KSMU Group 28, and I'm going to be demonstrating the deep breathing and coughing exercises. Yeah. So I'm going to be helping you with your deep breathing and your coughing exercise. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay, first of all, I'm going to need you to get comfortable. Sit in a very comfortable position, please. So now I'm going to need you to breathe in through your nose. And let your belly be filled with air. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe in through your nose hard. Breathe in through your nose. And then let your belly be filled with air. Then I'm going to need you to breathe out through your nose. Then as you breathe, you need to feel your belly rise. Then take 3 more full deep breaths. So let's go together. 1, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. That's more. So next we are going to move to your coughing exercise. So first of all, I'm going to need you to hold the pillow against your stomach. I'm going to need you to take slow, deep breaths. Let's go together. In, out. So breathe in through your nose, and then breathe out through your mouth. And then concentrate on your chest. Sink downward and inward. So breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. So now I'm going to need you to take a second breath in that manner. So breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. You need to take another breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. So I'm going to need you to repeat this exercise 2 more times. So you breathe in through your nose, you breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Okay, thank you very much, sir. That will be all for today.